Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey everyone. Not to sound like a salesman, but this car is really special. If you're at all interested in buying a very high quality muscle car, an investment grade car, this is it right here. I've got lots to tell you about. All number match, full owner history, great colors, options. And if you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, get the price, and see photos top to bottom. Also, take a second, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the little bell. That way you're notified every time we put an amazing video like this one right here out, you'll be notified. Let's not waste any more time. Let's go for a spin. I've grown up doing this. Certain cars are special. This is the real deal car, Boss 302. When I say numbers match, I don't mean I think so, or that's what the last guy said. I mean all the numbers. The motor and trans are VIN number matched to the car. The distributor, carburetor, starter, rear end, it just goes on, and it's the original stuff. It has the smog equipment under the hood. It's got history, which means so much. It was a one-owner car until 2005. We got the Marti Report, the invoice, the build sheet. I have a picture of the car when he bought the car new. And then we have photos of it throughout the years. 1980, they took a picture with his family for a Christmas card. We have all that right here. So let me start from the beginning. The guy bought it in 1970. Around 1974, it was a third car. He kind of retired it to the garage, started taking it out on nice days only. And then in 1980, he had the car repainted. It had its little nicks and chips and that sort of thing on it. So we have photos of the car, clean, virgin, rust-free car, sanded down and repainted. This is the paint from 1980. It's still gorgeous. So you've got factory grabber blue, factory deluxe white interior. And the car's got just over 60 or 61,000 actual miles. So getting back to the history, it sold in 2005 for the first time. So the first owner had it till 2005. It's had 4 collectors owned it since then. Maybe it was 1995. That's why I say you got to refer to our website. I'll have all the specs there. So it was a one-owner car for a good chunk of its life. And then he sold it with like 50-some thousand miles. It's only had less than 5,000 miles put on it in the last couple decades. The fellow we just got the car from has owned it 7 years. He's very meticulous. All he did was make the car better, tinker with it, detail, get it dialed in. It's a great car, I'm telling you. So anyway, getting back to the body, it's a super clean body. We have pictures to prove that. It's a one-time repaint. It looks like it was done 6 months ago. It's gorgeous. It has the rolled fenders in front. That's what the bosses had because the big 15-inch wheels. The Magnum wheels are gorgeous, has reproduction tires on it, the sport mirrors. He added the rear sport slats and the rear spoiler at the dealership in 1970. It is a factory shaker hood Ram Air car. It was born with that. Under the hood is completely detailed to concourse condition. Has the smog equipment, the correct spark plug wires, auto light hoses and clamps, auto light battery topper, the right numbers on the radiator, all the right markings, stickers, rev limiter, and it's all very tidy and clean and detailed real nicely, all smooth finishes. It's got the snorkel off the air cleaner down to the exhaust manifold. The antenna is exactly in the right spot. It's the original antenna. All the glass is really nice. The white interior is really nice. About 5 years ago, the door panels were professionally restored. They weren't replaced. These were restored using actual Ford white vinyl. The seats are still the original and in really nice shape. It does have the factory fold-down seat in back. All the interior lights work. The dash area, the chrome bezels, the knobs, the heater control panel, all that stuff is mint. Trunk compartment is all clean, original metal. The mat's real nice, has a space saver spare with the jack and even a little piece of felt so the jack doesn't scratch the rim. The spoiler was added so it doesn't have the factory prop rod. He has his own rod here to hold the trunk open because the spoiler was added. Otherwise, the factory would have given it a rod that swings down. Deluxe interior, so it's got all the wood grain trim, and really the chrome, everything is mint. It's not beat up. The steering wheel's mint. It does have a vintage sun tachometer on the steering column. Other than that, it's all original. The AM radio's original. Clean door jambs. Underneath is really clean. I'll fire it up for you. So it has a very thorough, detailed history, not just the name of each owner, but there's like, he reached out to each owner and got feedback from all of them. And so just the most documented car you could ask for. Boss 302s, they have a manual choke, so the choke lever's under the dash there. Dash pads mint, the white headliner, all the trim inside is excellent. The hood fits perfectly square. Door shuts like a new car. So this is a very real car. You know its history. When you get a concourse car that's restored, brand new, you don't know what it was like before they started. This car's got a binder full of great documentation, and it's got great colors, great features. It's a Boss 302. This is the real deal. This is quality. Anyone would be proud to own this car. It's investment grade. It's a thoroughbred. Can't say enough good about this car. So if you're seriously looking for a Boss 302, I think we found it for you. Visit volocars.com. That's where you get all the correct specifications. I'll list it all on our website. Plenty of ways to get a hold of us too. We'll answer all your questions, get real detailed with videos, pictures, whatever we can do to help you. We can help with shipping, financing. Just reach out to us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the little bell, and you'll see these videos first as we make them. Thanks for watching.